it's Ching here and I'm in the Hong Kong district in Shanghai. Horrible weather, but I don't care. I'm off to try something delicious for breakfast.
If you love street food, then this is the episode for you. I'm taking you to eat utterly awesome crispy spring onion pancakes. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and bursting with savoury flavour.
So I think it's down here somewhere. It's supposed to be really famous. Ah, there it is. I see the sign. 老上海葱油饼, Old Shanghai spring onion pancake. That's literally the name. Here we are. Hello, 你好. I just spot for choice here. They've got spring onion pancake, chive egg pancake. That's this one over here. And they also do a leek egg pancake and a sort of a fried savory turnip donut. I'm gonna go for the chive egg pancake. That looks really good. 一个香葱鸡蛋饼. So they're making my order fresh. So I have to wait a little bit. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, 我看一下。这个就是 wow, look at that. Look at that. That's what I've ordered. 葱饼看起来好好吃哦。谢谢。That was the chive egg pancake that I've ordered, and also their famous 葱饼. That's that lady just gone off with this big order. So this is a fried breakfast heaven right here. Look. Wow, that's my order right there. 谢谢. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, it's so hot. That is crunchy. That is soft in the middle. It's like eating through clouds of egginess. Oh, it's piping hot. Rough and ready, just on the street. Traditional Shanghainese breakfast. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but that is shui. That is crispy. And on a cold day, this is perfect. Look at it, just steaming hot. It's crispy, it's eggy, it's fluffy. That is so good.
Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.